Hi students, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற இன்னொரு important short notes from carbohydrate metabolism. Actually இது question என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா energetics of carbohydrate metabolism. அதுல 1 molecule of glucose பாடியில் என்டர் ஆச்சுன்னா எவ்வளோ ATPs கிடைக்கும்ன்றது தான் இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஏன்னா இது நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் நிறைய டைம் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகுறீங்க, வைவாவில் தப்பாக சொல்கிறீங்க. சரியா? Question is, how many ATPs are synthesized from one molecule of glucose? Okay, the glucose first enters into glycolysis, right? The end product of glycolysis is pyruvate. This pyruvate undergoes another reaction, that is synthesis of acetyl CoA. Pyruvate is converted into acetyl CoA. This is the second reaction. First glycolysis releases some amount of ATP. Pyruvate to acetyl CoA also releases some ATPs. This acetyl CoA finally enters into TCA cycle. This TCA cycle also releases some ATPs. Altogether, the final answer is 1 molecule of glucose releases how many ATPs? Okay, you know very well, glycolysis we are having two types. One is anaerobic, another one is aerobic. Aerobic only we are telling these kind of pathway. Anaerobic only one glycolysis. In glycolysis, actually anaerobic glycolysis, you will get 4 ATPs. Actually for the initiation we have to donate 2 ATPs, that is why 4 minus 2, 2 ATPs only from anaerobic glycolysis. Okay, whereas in aerobic glycolysis, for the initiation of glycolysis again we are giving 2 ATPs, but finally you will get 9 ATPs. So answer is 9 minus 2, 7. Got it? Aerobic glycolysis 7 ATPs, anaerobic glycolysis 2 ATPs. Okay. Second one is this pyruvate to acetyl CoA conversion. We are having end product of glycolysis actually 2 pyruvates. So 2 pyruvates converted into 2 acetyl CoA. Each reaction you are getting 2.5 ATPs. So 2.5 plus 2.5, 5 ATPs from PD, that is pyruvate to acetyl CoA with the help of PDH, right? Already 7 in your hand, now you are having 5 ATPs. Now these 2 acetyl CoA enters into TCA cycle. So each TCA cycle produces 10 ATPs. So 2 acetyl CoA, 2 TCA cycle means 20 ATPs. Now the answer is already in your hand 7 plus 5, now 20. The answer is 32. Right? Most of the times you will be getting confusion in the Viva or sometimes MCQs. Aerobic glycolysis 9 minus 2, anaerobic glycolysis 4 minus 2, pyruvate to acetyl CoA 2 into 2.5, and finally 2 acetyl CoA enters into 2 TCA cycle, produces 2 into 10, 20. Totally 32 ATPs from 1 molecule of glucose. Now the important question is, how this 2.5 and how this 1.5 and how this 1, right? Simple logic only. If you are using or if you are getting GTP, that is guanidine triphosphate or adenosine triphosphate, ATP means directly they will produce 1 numbers, right? ATP means substrate level phosphorylation also produced or directly also produced 1 molecule of 1 ATPs. GTP also in the TCA cycle produces 1 ATPs, whereas NADH enters into the respiratory chain and produces 2.5 ATPs. 1 NADH produces 2.5 ATPs. Wherever you get NADH in your biochemical pathways, this will produce 2.5 ATPs. At the same time, the FADH2, these two are actually the coenzymes of niacin and riboflavin. This FADH2 anywhere in biochemistry produces always 1.5 ATPs. This is the important point, you keep it in your mind, right? So finally, 1 molecule of glucose produces 32 ATPs. You have to describe each and every step for your 5-mark short notes or individual question in MCQ, means you should be ready for that also. Bye.